let's start working like a pro. You know, we are from Africa, so we cook like Africa family, isn't it? This is my papa. I've already washed them 3 times. Then what we are going to do, we are going to put our washed crayfish inside. Then chop onions inside. Our cocoyam is ready. This is cocoyam, okay, for the preparation of oha soup. All right, let's put it, because this is how the Igbo family peel it. My lovely Igbo people, my lovely. Wow. This is my meat stock. What I will do, I will be putting my stock fish. Let's put our red oil. Let's put our pepper, fresh pepper, crayfish and onions with bell pepper, attaché. Okay. Some salt. Alright. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put my fresh fish. Mackerel. This one is another type of fish. This one is another type of fish, different fish. Then with catfish, dry catfish. I'm going to put some onions inside. The aroma. I want to remove all the fish because I don't want my fish to scattered. Put it here. Okay. Our grounded cocoyam, we pound it with mortar. Joseph, you want cake? My God, this is what is going on here. A little bit more salt. Put them. Me, I'm not saying whether na utasio or oziza leaf. Side. Everything. Our pomo. Ishakia body. Bring add some onions and okay, we are done cooking. Oginikwa, how did you see this man oha soup with bitter leaf? If you like, change the name, it not concern me now, you know. How did you see it? How did you see it? Are you ready to come and eat with us again?